So how much money can you make on YouTube with 50,000 subscribers? I'm actually going to show you the numbers in this video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, starting online businesses, and social media. So if you're into that, consider subscribing. So I haven't made a video like this in a while where I show you the numbers of my YouTube ad revenue. Every single month I like to put out an update showing you guys how much money I'm making from YouTube. And this is just the YouTube ad revenue. And you might be wondering, as you gain more subscribers, do you actually make more money? Well, I'm not gonna make you wait till the end of this video to show you the numbers. This is how much money I've made last month in this channel just from the YouTube ad revenue. All right guys, so we're inside my creator studio, and as you can see, I've chosen the last month of June, and for the last month I got 153,000 views, and the estimated revenue for that month was $1,246. As you can see, if I click here on top of estimated revenue, you can see that my revenue has been going up and down over the past few months, anywhere from $1,200 to $1,600 per month from the ad revenue. And on average, I could get somewhere between 10 to 15,000 views every 48 hours. You can see I have 52,000 subscribers on this channel so far. So those are the numbers from the ad revenue. So let's talk about everything else that's happening behind the scenes, how I'm monetizing my channel apart from just the YouTube ad revenue, because it's really important that you understand that this means nothing to me. This is basically additional income that I'm getting, but it's not really how I make my money from my channel. Keep in mind that my channel is in a high CPM niche. That means I make more money for every 1,000 views than pretty much all the other channels on YouTube. Because I'm running a business channel, I'm able to get paid a lot more for the ads that play on my videos. And believe it or not, having more subscribers has nothing to do with the money you make on YouTube. Yes, having more subscribers definitely helps, because the bigger your audience, the more opportunity for your videos to get seen by more people. But typically what you'll find is that only about 20 to 30% of your audience, your subscribers, will watch your videos on a weekly or monthly basis. I would say that 70 to 80% of my views on a monthly basis are coming from people who are not subscribed to my channel. And that's mainly because I create videos that I like to rank on YouTube for specific things that people might be searching for. And so they might watch my video one time and decide not to subscribe to my channel and just move on to another video. So yes, having more subscribers definitely helps, because the bigger your subscriber base, the bigger that 20-30% is going to be. So if you have 1 million subscribers, then that means you're gonna have 20-30% of that audience watching your videos every single month. But for most channels, 80%, 70% of the views are coming from people who are not subscribed to that channel. But if you do enjoy content like this, then go ahead and subscribe. You have nothing to lose. It's free. All you got to do is click the little red button below. Now let's talk about making money outside of YouTube, because this is where the real money actually is. If you notice below this video in the description, I have a bunch of links. These are affiliate links to different products and services that I use, software companies, my coaching program, my course. All of those things are making me money on a monthly basis. And the bigger my audience, the more money I make. Even though I'm not making a ton of money from YouTube ad revenue, I'm still making a lot of money from all of those things that you'll find in the description below. So every month I get new clients for my coaching business. I also get a new sales for my courses. I also get a ton of sales from my affiliate products that I recommend, and that brings me consistent revenue every single month as my audience grows. So this is why you should always be monetizing your channel in the back end. You should not just rely on the YouTube ad revenue, because if you're thinking, if I get 100,000 subscribers, I'm gonna make X amount of money, you're gonna be very disappointed, because that's not how it works. It's all about the views, how many views you can get on a monthly basis on your videos, and it's not about how many subscribers you have. And I do have a ton of videos on my channel talking about how to get more views and more subscribers for your channel. If you're trying to grow a YouTube channel, go ahead and check out those videos in the description below. I'm gonna put a link to those videos so you can go and see the strategies that I'm using right now to grow my channel past 50,000 subscribers and hopefully get to 100,000 subscribers pretty soon. Now, if you don't know anything about monetizing YouTube channels or affiliate marketing and how to actually find and promote those products, go ahead and click the link in the description below. It's going to take you to my affiliate success guide. This is a completely free guide that you can download to your computer. It's a PDF file that you can read and go over and learn exactly how affiliate marketing works, how to find products to promote so you can monetize your content and not just rely on the YouTube ad revenue. So go ahead, download it. It's 100% free in the description below. So guys, I really hope that this video was helpful. I try to be as transparent as possible with you guys. I like to show you guys what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, so you can see and actually implement this stuff yourself in your own channel if you're trying to grow and monetize your content as well. So definitely go and check out my other videos as well if you're interested in monetization on Facebook or affiliate marketing or growing on YouTube. I have a ton of videos on those topics. With that said, thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.